Hola amigos, a little update about my last video. Someone asked me if I could show the Albiza a little bit better, so here it is. I planted this one in 2010, so 10 years now, and of course it does not flower yet. I still have to wait another month or so. It only has developed its leaves only a couple of weeks ago. It is quite late in the season. It's one of the latest plants to start growing, but as you can see, it has become a really beautiful tree. So he also asked me a little bit about this Washingtonia and the protection I apply. So I did post some videos during winter on the protection, but I have to say, with the winters we had, and this is for the Washingtonia and the Albiza, it didn't really need a real protection these last 2-3 winters. We only had -6 degrees Celsius the last 2 winters, and this winter, that most recent winter, I think we only had a brief -3 or 4 degrees Celsius or so. So I didn't protect them at all. I did have a light rope attached to it, but I only lighted it once, and I didn't really need it to. So maybe I will stop protecting it, and as you can see here, I protected it really thoroughly in the beginning. It has become too big to be protected that way, so I think I just leave it be. It will be a risk if we have a real extreme winter. Well, there will be some damage, or even worse, but that's a risk you have to take when planting this kind of palm tree in your garden. But I have to say also that it is one of the most beautiful ones, I think, and the first one to start growing again, and the one that copes the best with damage as it grows a bit fast. As you can see there, that is my very first Washingtonia. I sown it in 2007, and as you can see, it is way smaller than the big one over there. And that is because this one was planted only recently, I think 2 years ago, in the ground. Till then I always had it in pots, and it had some hard time to adapt from the interior being bring outside inside, and vice versa. The last 2 years I even kept it in its pot outside during winter, but now it is planted. You can see it start to speed up. The big one I planted in 2013 without any leaves, so to speak. And as you can see, once it has well taken, the growth speed is really high. Same for this Albiza. I didn't protect it at all the last 2 winters. It had to cope with -6. It was totally covered in snow, and as you can see, it is doing really fine. So hope this video was helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.